for the assignment. Normally it's been 10% per day when it's late, and so that's going to continue on for the complete part. For the basic part that needs to be done before class, I'll give you half credit if it's a day late. So basically what's going to happen is you're going to have this part of the homework and then the part that I'm calling complete, and they'll both count 50%. So you get 50% credit just for doing it. I'm not even checking to see if it's right. I'm literally counting 1, 2, 3, 4. If you, whatever you get, you get. And then over here, this will be graded. And then I'll combine them for a final grade. So this one still follows the plain old basic 10% per class late, so you can turn that in. I mean, it's just 10% late. This one, I think, is more important to get this done before class. Otherwise, class is not going to work as well for you. So this one I'm going to be a little bit harder on, although I will entertain discussion. Yes?
So on Monday, the complete part is due, as well as the basic.
For the next part, yes. Yes, so that's why, let's take a moment. Pull up, let me just show you. Did everybody see, oh, you probably didn't see because they didn't, hang on. Okay. Is it coming on? Okay, oh, good. All right. So I posted. So I posted online now. So let's just Unit 3. So you now have the videos. This is just the link to that playlist, and so they're just going to be kind of run in order. And then this is the actual assignment list. I'm going to pull that up, and then these are the class notes, for each section that you can print ahead. You can follow along. Just reference them later. So let's look at the assignment list. I've combined everything, and so everything's now one-stop shopping. So here's what your assignment list looks like. It kind of reminds you. So it reminds you how it's supposed to work. At home, you're supposed to finish whatever the hard problems are on the current stuff. Get that done and out of the way. Go ahead and do that as soon after class as you can, because everything that makes sense in class, the quicker you do it on your own, the more you're going to capitalize on what you understood in class. So I really encourage that. Then you've got this part where you're going to watch the video, do the basic problems, and memorize all the minute-to-win information. And then in class, you turn in the problems. So turn in any of the complete problem sets. Those I'm going to grade overnight. But turn in the basic ones for today. I'm going to do a quick scan of those during class. We'll do the 5 minutes of review, minute to win it, 20 to 30 minutes presentation on the hard stuff. And then the rest of the class, you're just going to work on the problem set. Okay, you're just going to work on the hard part of the problem set that's due next class. So that way, if you've got any questions, you can have people you can work with. I can walk around answering questions. And then before you leave, pick up the basic problems, because it'd really be easier for me if those were kind of stapled together in one set in the end. Here's where the videos are: prep video, recap video, class video. This one before class, this one only if you feel like you need it, and then this one's on the harder material, again, only if you feel like you need it. I'm anticipating that this will actually be less total time for you, because the easy stuff that you can do pretty easily, you'll get that done quickly. And then everything that we do in class is going to make more sense, because you've already got that under your belt, and you're going to start on the problem set here in class. So again, I think this will actually save you time in the long run. So let's look at how I got this set up. So it tells you what to either watch the video or read the book. I don't care what you do. I mean, whatever works for you, that's fine. Here's the basic problems, and here's the minute to win it that you need to memorize. And I put C next page just in case you didn't want to keep going. And so then the next one, there's the complete assignment that you need to finish, and then we start with the prep, the basic, the minute to win it. And then the complete assignment to finish, prep, basic, minute to win it. So everything's kind of in one place. So, and I've done all the assignments. That's why I was a little bit late grading the test. I've got all the assignments done, so nothing should be a surprise to me, so it shouldn't be a surprise to you. So I don't expect to make any changes to this. So you should be able to print this or download this, and that should be your everything in one place. Does that make sense? Okay. All right, so let's, right. Oh, confirm. You know what? I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go over here, right over here. Video mute. Okay. So let's start on, and what I'll probably do each time that we start on the new material, yeah, any other basic assignments to turn in? What I'll probably do is start with a slightly harder problem, so we'll kind of have a little bit of review of what we were doing on the easier problems, just as rather than introducing sort of new application concepts. So let's start with that.